Today, we're going to talk about something that's bound to make your taste buds tingle and your mouth water: cooking with charcoal. Now, don't get us wrong, gas-powered grills are super convenient, but there's just something special about that smoky flavor and extra char you get from cooking with charcoal. Sure, charcoal grills may take a little longer to get started, and there might be a bit of a learning curve compared to propane and natural gas grills. But let me tell you, the benefits are totally worth it. First of all, charcoal grills are more affordable, so you won't have to break the bank to get that authentic grilling experience. Plus, they usually have a smaller footprint, meaning you can fit them in tighter spaces. But here's the real kicker: charcoal grills burn hotter. I'm talking temperatures over 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can achieve that perfect sear on your steak or those beautiful grill marks on your veggies. And let's not forget about the smoky flavor. Charcoal grills infuse your food with that unmistakable smokiness that takes your grilling game to a whole new level. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5, we're going to talk about the best portable grill on the market, the Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill. Trust me, this little guy is a game changer for all your outdoor cooking adventures. First off, the Jumbo Joe can accommodate up to 7 burgers or even a full chicken. That's some serious grilling capacity for a portable grill. Plus, it's designed with a swivel arm that not only holds the grill together for easy transport but also doubles as a convenient lid holder while you're busy grilling up a storm. Unfortunately, there isn't an official protective cover specifically made for the Jumbo Joe. But that's a minor setback considering all the fantastic features this grill has to offer. Imagine taking the iconic Weber Kettle charcoal grill and shrinking it down to a more compact size. That's exactly what you get with the Weber Jumbo Joe. Measuring at 18 inches wide, it's slightly larger than its 14 inches wide sibling, the Smoky Joe. The Jumbo Joe comes with 2 adjustable vents in the lid and firebox, allowing you to easily control the temperature and keep those coals perfectly lit. In comparison, the Smoky Joe only has 1 vent, making it easier for the coals to go out while you're grilling. So, the Jumbo Joe definitely has the upper hand here. We really appreciate the little details Weber has put into this grill. For example, it features an aluminum dish under its bottom, serving as an ash catcher. No more worrying about messy cleanup. The Jumbo Joe also has a unique lid lock system, allowing you to securely lock down the lid while moving the grill around. So, if you're planning to take it to the beach or a tailgating party, you can be confident that everything will stay in place. Setting up this grill is a breeze. It takes less than 5 minutes to get it up and running. And let me tell you, it's built to last. The Jumbo Joe is solidly constructed, and we're pretty sure it can handle a few accidental drops during transport without any issues. Now, here's where the Jumbo Joe really shines: its portability. Weighing in at just 20 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, making it super easy to carry. You can even stow it in the trunk of your vehicle without any hassle. But don't be fooled by its size. With a generously sized 240 square inch cooking surface, you'll have plenty of room to grill a whole chicken or a full rack of baby back ribs. It's the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Let's quickly go over the key specs. The cooking surface size is a whopping 240 square inches, providing you with ample space to work your grilling magic. The overall dimensions of the Jumbo Joe are 19.75 inches in diameter, 20.5 inches in width, and 19.75 inches in height. The great material is made of chrome-plated steel, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. And lastly, it weighs only 21 pounds. At number 4, we're talking about the runner-up in our best charcoal grill roundup, the Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill. Now, let's dive into the pros of this grill. First off, it strikes a fantastic balance between price, durability, and performance. You don't have to break the bank to get your hands on this gem. Plus, Weber is renowned for its outstanding customer service and generous warranty, so you can feel confident in your purchase. However, no product is perfect. One downside is that the original Kettle Charcoal Grill lacks the easier to clean ash catch found in the premium model. So, while you're cooking up a storm, ash might blow around a bit more. Keep that in mind. But let's get into the details. This 22 inches charcoal grill is perfect for those of you on a budget. It's made with the same high-quality enameled steel as the premium version we mentioned in this video, but it's about $80 cheaper. You get the same 363 square inches of cooking space, which is pretty impressive. The main difference between the two models is that this one doesn't have a detachable ash catcher. However, it does have a one-touch cleaning system that makes it super easy to sweep the ash from inside the bottom of the kettle. So, while it may lack a fancy feature, it still delivers in terms of heat distribution and cleaning convenience. In our opinion, the Weber Original Kettle Grill offers the best balance between affordability, durability, and performance. We highly recommend going for the 22 inches model rather than the smaller 18 inches version. With the larger size, you'll be able to grill up those big cuts of meat like pork shoulder or brisket. Who doesn't love a juicy, smoked brisket? Let's quickly go over the key specifications. The cooking surface size is a generous 363 square inches, giving you plenty of room to work with. The overall dimensions are 25 inches in diameter, 25 inches in width, and 39.5 inches in height. The grate material is sturdy steel, and the grill itself weighs 37 pounds. At number 3, we're going to talk about the best Kamado grill on the market, the Kamado JoJo Classic 2 Charcoal Grill. Now, this grill is seriously impressive, and we're going to break down all the reasons why you should consider getting your hands on one. The Kamado JoJo Classic 2. One major advantage is that it comes with a limited lifetime warranty on its ceramic parts. That's right, folks, they've got you covered. Not only that, but the metal and cast iron parts are backed by a 5-year warranty. So, you can grill with peace of mind knowing that you're protected. Another pro is the fantastic heat retention of this grill. Kamado grills, in general, are known for their excellent insulation, and the Classic 2 is no exception. It locks in heat like a champ, keeps your food moist, and requires less charcoal and oxygen compared to other grills. That means you'll be saving both time and money in the long run. And here's a cool feature: the Classic 2 has a cushion seal on its lid. Why is this important, you ask? Well, it prevents any unnecessary slamming of the lid, which can be a real hassle and potentially cause damage. So, they've really thought about the little details to make your grilling experience even better. One downside of the Joe Classic 2 is its weight. It's quite heavy and not the easiest to move around, even though it does have casters. So, keep that in mind if portability is a top priority for you. But if you find a perfect spot for it in your backyard, you won't have to worry about moving it too often. Let's talk more about the Classic 2 itself. This grill is a premium ceramic egg-shaped cooker, and it's modeled after traditional Kamado grills that originated in Japan around 3,000 years ago. It's a versatile grill that not only grills, but also functions as a smoker. Plus, it comes with some handy extras like a sturdy frame, locking wheels, side tables, and an ash tool for easy cleanup. The Classic 2 heats up super quickly, reaching temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 10 minutes. That's seriously impressive. But it's not just about the heat. This grill offers excellent temperature control, making it a top choice for grilling enthusiasts. Whether you want to sear, smoke, bake, or roast, the Classic 2 has got you covered. Pizza lovers, listen up. This grill can reach temperatures above 600 degrees, making it perfect for making that perfect, crispy pizza crust. So, if you're a pizza fanatic this is an absolute game changer. Besides its weight, the Classic 2 does have a smaller than average cooking surface. So, if you're planning to cook for a large group, you might have to do it in batches. Coming in at number 2, we're talking about the best overall charcoal grill on the market, the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. First off, it offers grillers a convenient ash catch. No more worrying about ash blowing around or making a mess. The enclosed receptacle at the bottom of this grill captures and holds the ash, making cleanup a breeze. Another great feature is that it comes in 3 different colors. That's right, you can choose between black, copper, crimson, or green, depending on your personal style and preference. But wait, there's more. You can actually add more coal to this grill without removing the grate. That's a game changer, especially when you're in the middle of a grilling session and need to amp up that heat. And let's not forget about the lid hook. It's a small but handy addition that keeps the lid off the ground, so you don't have to worry about it getting dirty or misplaced. One thing to note is that the built-in thermometer isn't the most accurate. So if precise temperature control is crucial for your grilling needs, you might want to consider using a separate thermometer. It's a minor drawback compared to all the fantastic features this grill offers, but we like to give you the full picture. The Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill has been an icon in the grilling world for over 70 years, and this premium variant takes it to the next level. The grill itself is constructed with durable materials that are built to last, and the setup takes less than 15 minutes. It's simple yet effective. With its spacious 22 inches cooking surface, you'll have plenty of room to cook up a storm. Whether you're grilling beer-can chicken, tomahawk steaks, or even a turkey, this grill's got you covered. The porcelain enameled lid is 7.5 inches tall, ensuring that you can easily fit those taller items without any trouble. Plus, the tight seal between the lid and body ensures consistent temperatures and keeps that mouth-watering smoke locked in. From juicy burgers to succulent chicken to slow-smoked ribs, it consistently delivers amazing results. And the best part, it comes at a terrific price, so you won't break the bank. Finally, coming in at number 1, we're going to talk about the best cart-style charcoal grill on the market, the Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill. First off, this grill comes equipped with a useful propane ignition. That means you can instantly light up your charcoal using a small burner located under the coal grate. No more struggling with matches or lighter fluid. Next up, cleaning is a breeze with the Weber Performer Deluxe. It's easy to keep this grill looking spick and span, ensuring you spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying delicious grilled food. Another great feature is the built-in bin for storing charcoal. It keeps everything neat and organized, so you don't have to worry about finding a separate storage solution. The Performer Deluxe charcoal grill can be a bit expensive compared to other charcoal grills with a similar shape. However, considering the features and quality it offers, many grill enthusiasts believe it's worth the investment. So, what makes this grill stand out? Well, it's a more feature-filled version of Weber's 22 inches original Kettle grill. Instead of being on a tripod, it's built on a wheeled cart, giving you a convenient workstation and hooks to hang your favorite grilling tools. Plus, there's even a cook timer built right into the cart, making it super convenient. With 363 square inches of cooking space, you'll have plenty of room to cook for your family or throw a small backyard party. The hinged grate allows for easy access to replenish charcoal, and the 2 charcoal baskets give you the flexibility to use direct or indirect heat with ease. One of the best things about the Weber Performer Deluxe is its versatility. You can expand its capabilities with a wide array of accessories, including a pizza stone, wok, steamer, griddle, and more. This means you can get creative with your grilling and explore different cooking techniques. While the Performer Deluxe charcoal grill may be on the pricier side, if you're looking for a high-quality cart-style grill, it's definitely worth considering. It's built to last, easy to clean, and comes with an impressive warranty. The bowl and lid are covered for a decade, the cleaning system for 5 years, and all other parts for 2 years. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.